guys! With February being accessories month for Operation Christmas Child, I wanted to make some jewelry videos. So in this video, we're going to recycle some drink bottles into pretty bracelets. In New York State, most bottles are returnable for a 5-cent deposit, but I know there are only a dozen or so states that do bottle deposits. So head to your recycling bin and grab a single-serve plastic bottle. This video will feature a framed diamond braid and a crisscross pattern, both made with ribbon. The first bracelet is the framed diamond braid, and we will need a single-serve drink bottle and ribbon, scissors, and a glue gun with glue. First, cut your bottle for the base of the bracelet. I'm using a single-serve 16-ounce bottle of Wegmans Wonder Water because it is really sturdy. Cut off the top of the bottle and then down the length of the bottle. Next, cut a 1-inch wide ring from the smooth middle section. That is the base of the bracelet. Smooth the edges, but it doesn't have to look perfect because it will be covered with ribbon. The ribbon is the other component of this bracelet. For a 16-ounce single-serve bottle, you will need 4 lengths of 30 inches each. 2 of the ribbons should be the same color. They will be the outside framing ribbon. With the pattern facing down, glue the framing ribbon at a right angle on top of the pattern ribbon. Do that to both sets of ribbon. My framing ribbon is white ribbon that I salvaged off a bundle of washcloths. Glue the first set of ribbon to the bracelet at the cut end. Let the tip of the diamond hang over the edge. Glue the next set directly underneath the first. Start with the top framing ribbon and fold it over the bracelet. Then fold the top pattern ribbon over the bracelet. Fold the second framing ribbon over the bracelet. At this point, you have both framing ribbons and 1 pattern ribbon on the left side and 1 pattern ribbon on the right side. Flip up the top framing ribbon and fold the right side pattern ribbon over the bracelet. Flip the framing ribbon back down. At this point, both pattern ribbons are on the right side and both framing ribbons are on the left side. Push the top pattern ribbon to the other side of the ribbon on the inside of the bracelet. Now you should have both framing pieces and 1 pattern ribbon on the left side. Next, take the top framing ribbon and fold it between the other 2 ribbons on the left side. Continue pushing it to the other side of the bracelet on the inside of the bracelet. At this point, you should have 1 framing ribbon and 1 pattern ribbon on each side. Fold that same framing ribbon over the top of the bracelet. Now you're back to having both framing ribbons and 1 pattern ribbon on the left side and 1 pattern ribbon on the right side. Your next step is flipping the top framing ribbon up and folding over the patterned ribbon. Continue following the over and under pattern. Remember, you are always folding over the top ribbon, not the bottom ribbon. Once you are near the end of your bracelet, end the bracelet on the step with 3 ribbons on the left side and 1 ribbon on the right side. Snip the ribbon with about 1 inch of extra, which we will glue down. Fold the single right side ribbon down to the inside of the bracelet and glue it down. Next, glue down the top framing ribbon. The last 2 ribbons line up, so glue them together, then glue them to the inside of the bracelet. On the opposite end of the bracelet, glue down the little overlap that we left at the top. Lastly, use a piece of scrap ribbon and on each end of the bracelet make a little cuff to hide the ends of the ribbon. If you cut a 1-inch ring from the bottle, then the scrap pieces will need to be 1.5 inches long. If all went according to plan, you should have a braided diamond pattern on the outside and the inside of the bracelet. The second style of ribbon is a crisscross ribbon that is a little simpler than the braided pattern, but just as pretty. This bracelet works best with a thinner ribbon. Mine is 1/2 inch wide. For this bracelet, you will need a single-serve drink bottle and ribbon, scissors, and a glue gun with glue. To prepare your bottle, cut the top off of your bottle, then cut a 1-inch ring. Unlike the previous ring, keep it in one piece. Since this is a one-piece bracelet, you can use a slightly flimsier bottle. If you only have a 2-liter bottle, that's fine too. You can cut the 1-inch ring and then cut it open and glue the piece back together with some overlap, creating a smaller ring. With the pattern facing downward, glue the two ribbons together at a right angle. Next, glue the joined ribbons on the inside of the ring. Start on the right side with the white ribbon, cross it over at a slight angle, then tuck it underneath and across. Next, take the red ribbon and fold it across. Line the ribbon up with the white ribbon that is already on the right side. Then tuck it underneath the white ribbon and behind the bracelet. Next, take the white ribbon and fold it across the top of the bracelet. To get a consistent angle, line it up with the red ribbon that is already on the left side. Tuck it underneath and across on the inside of the bracelet. Continue this pattern alternating ribbons. Once you reach the start of where you've already crisscrossed the ribbon, end the ribbon with both ribbons on one side. Cut the excess ribbon off, leaving about 1/2 inch. Glue the excess together, then glue the combined ribbon to the inside of the bracelet. If all went as planned, you should have the crisscross pattern on the outside and the inside. And that's it. This bracelet is done. So today we made bangle bracelets from plastic water bottles, the framed diamond braid, and the crisscross ribbon. These are great accessories to put in the Operation Christmas Child or for custom bracelets in your favorite colors. Thanks for watching. Bye!